A new product has just launched on TikTok Shop, and it has tremendous potential for success, especially for new affiliates without prior experience in creating content. The product has already proven its appeal, as it was previously popular on TikTok, generating viral videos that drove massive off-platform sales. This history of virality and its success on platforms like Amazon indicate that it's a highly marketable item. The product is poised to thrive because of its past exposure, with videos garnering views in the hundreds of millions before even being available on TikTok Shop. Now that it's on the platform, affiliates are in an ideal position to leverage this pre-existing popularity to drive sales. Early adopters who create videos and host live sessions promoting the product are likely to gain traction and secure notable sales quickly. This approach aligns with the speaker's general strategy, focusing on products that are already trending, have demonstrated success, and align with TikTok's algorithm and user behavior. An example of this is the recent boom in face serums, which skyrocketed to TikTok Shop's top rankings in just weeks, earning hundreds of thousands of dollars weekly after an explosive launch. The new product, though in a different category, shares similar potential due to its viral-ready content and ease of promotion. These facial serums stand out in its potency, and its quality has been the focus of many viral TikTok videos. Videos featuring these facial serums have amassed millions of views. One recent post reached 143 million views, even before the product was officially available on TikTok Shop. For affiliates, this represents an excellent opportunity to create content with a proven formula. You don't need elaborate setups. Replicating simple viral formats can be just as effective. With the product's newfound presence on TikTok Shop, it's expected to gain significant traction once a few strategic posts are shared by its official account or early adopters. Affiliates who act now can take advantage of this moment to expand their showcase with a high-potential item. To cap it off, I'm offering to share specific video ideas that have worked well to help affiliates jumpstart their content creation and sales strategies for this product. Let me tell you about a product I'm incredibly excited about, especially for those of you looking to make a mark on TikTok Shop. Whether you're an affiliate or content creator, this is the kind of product that practically sells itself, and with the holidays coming up, it's a no-brainer. It's one of those easy impulse buys, especially if you're looking for clearer, healthier skin. Trust me, the timing couldn't be better. What's great about this product is its proven virality. Before it even made it to TikTok Shop, these skin serums were the star of countless viral TikTok videos. People love it. These videos were simple, fun, and repeatable, which means you can easily replicate the content without needing a big budget or fancy equipment. Now that the product is officially on TikTok Shop, the opportunity for affiliates is massive. You don't even need to show your face if you're not comfortable. Just focus on the product. You can recreate viral-style videos or even do live streams to engage with your audience. For example, you could test the product live, trying it on different areas of the skin, or try fun challenges to keep viewers entertained. The best part? The brand also offers other similar skin products, like facial peels, that you can promote with the same strategies. Videos consistently hit millions of views, some even tens of millions. Even the less popular ones still get tens of thousands of views. Imagine if you add TikTok Shop links to these videos. With just a fraction of that engagement turning into sales, you're looking at a goldmine. Plus, as more affiliates jump on this, the momentum is only going to build. So now is the perfect time to get in early and ride that wave. I genuinely enjoy finding these trending products and sharing them with you. If you're a TikTok Shop affiliate or someone trying to grow as a content creator, this is one of those opportunities you don't want to miss. The combination of its affordability, the ease of creating content, and the holiday season makes this product a no-brainer. So, if you're looking to boost your sales or start building your presence, this is your chance. Start creating, stay consistent, and let's see what kind of traction you can build before the competition really ramps up. This could be a game changer if you get in early. Let me share a bit about what I think makes this product, and TikTok Shop in general, such an exciting opportunity for affiliates and creators. The brand behind this product is clearly going all in to recruit as many creators as possible to push out mass content. This is a smart move, and it's something I always recommend focusing on when evaluating potential products. Instead of constantly hunting for the next big thing, which can often be driven by personal bias, it's better to lean on products that already have a proven track record. When you're doing product research, Tools like Cowdata might show you trends or possibilities, but what really seals the deal for me is seeing a product that's already crushing it elsewhere, like on Amazon, and has viral TikTok videos to back it up. That's a strong indicator of potential success on TikTok Shop. Is it guaranteed? Of course not, but the odds are heavily in your favor when all the signals line up. In the US, I know one hurdle to becoming a TikTok affiliate is that you need at least 5,000 followers to qualify for an account. It's much better than relying on platforms like FameSwap. Now, as someone who works in this space, I can confidently say this product ticks all the boxes I look for as an affiliate. First, it has obvious viral potential. The videos promoting it are already getting millions of views, so the groundwork is laid for you to jump in and start creating. Second, it's incredibly easy to make content around this product. You have unlimited ideas just by scrolling through the brand's page and seeing what's worked for them. You can take inspiration from their videos, put your spin on them, and even create series or themes for your content. Another huge plus is that this product is perfect for live streams. If you've done live selling before, you know how important it is to have something interactive to engage your audience. For instance, I've done live streams for t-shirts in the past, but those tend to feel a little static. I usually just set up a whiteboard, explain the benefits, and highlight flash sales. Even if people aren't immediately ready to buy, the entertainment factor keeps them watching. And that's a huge win because engagement often translates to sales down the line. The combination of proven virality, ease of content creation, and the interactive nature of the product makes this a top-tier pick in my book. It's not just about the product itself, but about how seamlessly you can integrate it into your content strategy. If you're an affiliate or aspiring creator, this is one of those opportunities that checks all the right boxes. So don't overthink it. Start creating, whether it's videos, live streams, or both. This product has everything you need to get started and start seeing real results. And if you're just getting into TikTok Shop, now is the time to jump in, before the competition heats up even more. Let's make it happen. I've noticed this style of content popping up all the time, and it's super effective. It's especially common with home and household products, and it's something we can take inspiration from when working with other items. For example, I've seen people promote cool gadgets like fancy TV stands or LED lights by live streaming themselves assembling the product. It's simple but powerful because they're not just talking about the product. They're showing exactly how it works, what it looks like when it's set up, and how it can improve your space. Another popular trend is live streams with clothing. It might sound funny, but people literally create a runway in their homes live on TikTok to model clothing. Viewers tune in not just for the clothing, but because they're curious about the product and how well it looks and performs. This kind of approach creates a highly engaging and informative stream. Now, think about how well that translates to something like skin serums. You could create live demonstrations of how the serum works, showcase its durability, or even set up fun challenges to keep your audience entertained. The great thing about skin serums is that they naturally lend themselves to interactive content that grabs attention. If you combine this with some unique setups, you can quickly pull in a large and engaged audience. This is why I highly recommend skin serums as a product worth exploring. It has all the ingredients for success. It's interesting, visually appealing, and perfect for making engaging live streams or videos. If you're an affiliate or creator, this is the kind of product that lets you connect with your audience in a way that feels natural and entertaining. We're always looking for products like this in our private creator community. And hey, if you're already working with products on TikTok Shop and you've come across something that's performing really well, drop it in the comments. Sharing ideas and success helps everyone in the community grow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Whether you're an affiliate, a content creator, or just someone looking to make the most of TikTok Shop, I'm here to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.